Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of November, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.49. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -1.58%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.79% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the lower part of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which often represents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $166.03 is breached, it could indicate a slower rate of ascent and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 11.76% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 11.40% to 24.64%. Concerning the 12-month trend, it points to a change of around 23.06% over the next year, with potential returns between 16.66% and 53.33%. This implies a price range of $194.33 to $255.40 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google features the headline, "A challenging day on Friday for Google stock after a decrease of 1.58%. The price of Google stock dropped by 1.58% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, moving from $169.24 to $166.57. This decline marks the third consecutive day of falling prices. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.54%, with a daily low of $165.71 and a daily high of $168.26. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of them, amounting to a total decrease of 7.39%. Additionally, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should typically align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 12 million shares, leading to a total of 23 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $3.75 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $193.30, while the lowest price was $129.40. Currently, the stock price stands 13.83%, or $26.73, below the 52-week high. It is also 93.41%, or $2,360.42, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,526.99. The Department of Justice has recently intensified its scrutiny of Alphabet Inc.'s Chrome browser, alleging a monopoly. However, the legal basis for these allegations appears weak, as users currently choose Google services voluntarily. This legal environment presents both challenges and opportunities for Google stock. Recently, analysts from Bank of America noted that a forced divestiture of Chrome is unlikely. This sentiment could relieve some pressure on investors and potentially stabilize or even lift the stock price in the near term. Despite these regulatory challenges, Alphabet's financial health remains robust, with third-quarter revenues up by 15% and cloud revenues soaring by 35%. Growth in subscription services like YouTube Music and Premium indicates a move towards stable revenue streams, enhancing the company's financial resilience. Analysts suggest that even with the potential upheaval from regulatory actions, Google's core services, including search and YouTube, should continue to thrive. Long-term prospects appear positive as analysts place a conservative fair price target for Google stock at around $181.90, representing an attractive valuation amid the volatility from ongoing antitrust pressures. As the market digests these factors, Google stock may see fluctuations in the short term, but underlying strength from its diversified portfolio and steady earnings growth bodes well for sustained investor confidence moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, BMO Capital rated Google as outperform with a hold recommendation. Also on that Wednesday, Morgan Stanley provided Google with an overweight rating and a hold recommendation. Oppenheimer, on the same date, rated Google as outperform and issued a hold action. Finally, Pivotal Research assigned Google a buy grade along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have provided a general buy rating for Google stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have assigned the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. At this time, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Google stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the levels at $174.39 and $171.12. A break above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 12, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 9.14%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Signals presented a buy indication 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 5 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 45 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a sell signal 3 days ago. Meanwhile, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $164.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.55 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.54%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.11. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Google is at $169.24. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $164.64. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is categorized as a buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. On June 17, 2024, Chavez R. Martin executed an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Google will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of November, we predict that Google will open at approximately $227,775 and begin trading at $166.85. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.